guys, and welcome to my channel. So for today's video, I'm doing another Facetory unboxing, and this month's box is for February. So this one right here, and to open it, it's right here. And then for the February box, the theme is "You Are the Queen in My Heart." Like always, here's the 7 face masks for the month, and I'm just gonna remove it from the tissue paper. So this is the card that shows all of the products and like the key ingredients and like the good benefits for using the face mask. So starting with the first one, this one is the Facetory face mask. So this is the Facetory AZ Face Collagen Mask, and this one has two key ingredients. First one is hydrolyzed collagen, which is a moisturizing ingredient that plumps your skin and helps to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. And the second one is Ganoderma lucidum or mushroom extract, and it is an ingredient containing skin rejuvenating beta glucans that helps hydrate, heal, and prevent premature aging. And then second mask is a two-step face mask, and this one is the name Medius Ample Synergy Mask Moisture Plus, and this one has two key ingredients as well. And first one is grapefruit fruit extract, which is rich in antioxidants and vitamin C. This extract will glow up your skin and even out your overall skin tone. And the second one is hyaluronic acid, which is a powerful humectant that keeps the skin plump and hydrated. It also says how much it retails. So the first mask, which is this one, retails for $4 US, and then the second mask also retails for $4 US. So the third one is by the brand Lapcos and Skin First Oil Wrap Mask Chamomile, and this one also has two key ingredients, and the first one is jojoba oil, which has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties to soothe and moisture irritated skin. And second one is chamomile oil, which contains anti-inflammatory properties to calm your skin by soothing redness and irritation. And this one retails for $4.50 US. So the fourth mask is by the brand Dr. Althea Herb Therapy Velvet Mask, and this one retails for $4 US. And there's also two key ingredients for this. So the first one is hyaluronic acid, which is a powerful humectant that keeps the skin plump and hydrated. Second one is ceramide, which is a hydrating agent that helps retain the skin's moisture levels by strengthening the skin's moisture barrier. So the fifth one is by 23 years old Cocktail Velvet Petite Mask, and this one retails for $5 US. And there's two key ingredients. First one is niacinamide, which improves the appearance of enlarged pores and uneven skin tone, strengthening the surface of your skin. So the second key ingredient for this mask is glutathione, which is a powerful antioxidant that helps lighten hyperpigmentation. And then the second to the last face mask is this one, and this one is by the brand Miss Young Real Secret Nude Quick Moisturizing Wasabi Mask. This one retails for $4 US. And then first key ingredient for this one is Wasabia japonica root extract, which is a powerful antioxidant and antimicrobial ingredient that aids the skin against free radicals. And the second one is tea tree extract, which is an antiseptic that has skin soothing properties to help fight against acne. So the last mask for this box is by the brand Gutao Butte Elafair Panda Mask. I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing that wrong, but here's the 7 mask, and this one retails for $3.50 US. And so the first key ingredient for the last mask is called sodium hyaluronate, which is a great skin restoring moisturizing ingredient that helps reduce the appearance of blemishes and provides additional benefits for aging skin. And the second one is licorice root extract, which is an ingredient that balances the oils in your skin while providing a brighter skin tone. That's all the masks. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye!